Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching me today. This is a tutorial on how to make a flake chocolate bar. You know the ones, the Cadbury's flake chocolate bars you get in a 99 ice cream? Because that's what we're going to make all together. But this particular tutorial is just about how you make the flake chocolate. Now I'm going to make two versions of this, because there's two different ways you can do it, and I find both of them are quite good. The first one I'm going to show you is all to do with the piece of tin foil, and basically all you need is this. Ta-da! Yes, guys, that's all you need, just a piece of tin foil. And what we're going to do is make it into a shape of a flake chocolate. Now, what you do is just fold it like so. Okay, like that, and give it a little squeeze. And pushing the ends. Now the thing about this is it's quite good. I mean, you can make it any length, but you've got to remember that this is going to be pushed into some ice cream. So if you can imagine my hands on ice cream, piece of ice cream there, and you're going to shove that in just slightly, you're only going to have about 3/4 showing. Okay, so what I find I do is I pick the 3/4 that looks the best. Yes, you're still with me there? Lovely. And all you do is keep squeezing it like so, and make it sort of have four sides. See what I'm doing now? Just squeezing along and getting those edges flat, ends flat. Okay? As easy as that. So something like that. Now you're probably saying, Simon, that doesn't look like chocolate. And no, it doesn't. You're quite right. But it will do. Okay. I'm going to put some little lines on it, and I'm going to show you how to do that, because this particular flake chocolate is sort of in lines. Okay. And I'm going to put those on, and then I'm going to explain to you exactly what you do next. So you just get anything. I've got this tool. This is a crafting knife. And I'm just using that end, and I'm just putting some sort of light lines along it like so, and just go along and put lines going along just like so. That's all you have to do. This is so easy to make it. I've made it loads of times, and when you put it in whatever you're making, you know, whatever dessert it is, it really does look like one of those flake chocolate bars. Okay, let me just push that down slightly. Okay, so you can play around with it until you're happy with it. And I quite like that. It's got an indentation in there, and I quite like that. So I'm going to keep that. Okay, and that's basically it. And just taper off the ends like so. And that's it. So how easy was that? Now you're probably thinking, like I said before, that doesn't look like chocolate. And no, it doesn't. But it will do. Because what we're going to do next is we're going to paint it. Now you need, all you need to use is this acrylic paint, and it's burnt on umber. That's the colour you use for chocolate. And all I'm going to do is just pop a bit, you can't see this, but I'm popping a bit at the side of the camera, and I'm just going to paint it like so. And see what's happening? It's turning into chocolate. We like it, don't we? Look at that. How yummy is that? So just get in all the nooks and crannies, because you don't want to see any foil left. Okay? And what I like about this version of the flake is it's really light. So whatever you're making, it doesn't, you know, it won't sag or anything, because it's so light. You hardly know it's going to be, well, I hardly know it's there. Okay? So that's it. Let me pop that on there. How easy is this? You can take a little bit more care over it than me. But you get the idea, guys, don't you? Just keep making sure you cover all the foil, okay? Little side tip there, because it's going to look like a painted foil otherwise if you leave it showing. Okay, so I'm not going to do the rest. I'll do that off camera, but I just want to show you guys how easy this is to make. Okay. Right, let me stop there. So, just to compare, that's the foil side and that's the chocolate side. So look, doesn't that look like a flake? A flake chocolate bar. Now, you might be wondering what a flake chocolate bar is, because some countries may not sell them. So if you look them up, they're made by Cadbury's, okay, and they're called a Cadbury's chocolate flake. And they're absolutely scrummy. Absolutely, I would eat them every day if I could, but, you know, that's not a good idea, is it? But yes, you get the idea. So look it up and then you'll see exactly what it should look like. But this is one version of it. I'm going to do another clip on the other version and then you can compare. And we'll put them together and you can see exactly what they look like. But they all look good in their own right, so I like it. But this version is so quick and easy to do, and I just love making it. So there you go, guys. That's it. So all done and dusted on this particular Cadbury's Flake chocolate bar. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.